Last week, there was a really big snowstorm, and I just wanted to share some sketching that I did. I just felt like drawing cats today because I miss my cats so much. I haven't really been drawing that much outside of school assignments, and having just gotten back from winter break, I barely drew at all when I was at home. So I was just trying to get back into it. I'm a senior now, so one of the things that I'm very worried about is trying to sell my work to other people or make people interested in my work as an artist, which is stressful because I just spent 4 years at art school. So when I was drawing this, I was sort of just thinking about my style or the subjects that I like to draw, which I haven't really pinned down yet. next day, I decided to make a painting, and I wanted to do like a landscape sort of thing. I used a lot of green in this painting, and that was mostly the only color. I really tried to figure out how I could portray this landscape in a much more simple way. And I kind of had to because I didn't have my smaller paintbrushes at the time. And I just had to use this bigger one. So I was trying to paint using more simple shapes rather than a bunch of detailed line work the way I would usually make a drawing. If you got this far in the video, I just want to say thank you to 158 people for subscribing to my channel. If you like to make art too, leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you like to make art with. Like, do you prefer paint, pastels, or are you a digital artist? I'd love to know. If you just found this video and you like it, feel free to watch some of my other art videos, and I will be making more in the future. Thank you for watching!